I don't have tried all those scanners because actually it was a bit difficult to do it in the supermarket. And this device didn't look so innocent.
More questions?
There? I didn't understand, sorry. The question was if reflectance is working too, right? It depends a bit on the amount of energy. So when we were using this with a metrologic scanner inside a small room, we actually could point the device at any position in the room and the scanner would detect the signal. But if the room is bigger, it will be more difficult, or you need more senders or synchronize them or whatever. But it's a matter of power.
More questions? Well, let's thank the speaker again. There's one final announcement. They're still needing volunteers, so please inquire yourself at the G field at the volunteering desk.